Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds, right here is the device list. And right here at the second line we have spatial audio, but not all Android phones have this feature at the settings, so you may have it, and also you cannot find it at your Apple device. Now to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!